Hi everybody, welcome again to Dina Thinks For You. So last time we started to go deeper in the letters. We started to learn ta and tha, and the previous video we learned a and ba. A, ba, ta, tha. Alifun, ba, ta, tha. Now let's continue. You ready? I'm ready. Okay, so this is the next letter. It's j, 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 j as in George, as in gorgeous, as in Johanna. J, okay? So j is just a simple line like this, and then a half a circle, and then this dot. See, very easy. J. So j in the middle of the word, it's or in the beginning of the word, it's not written this way, because if you remember, letters, Arabic letters inside the word, they're connected to each other. They're touching each other, forming one thing, one word, and it's much different than other languages. They have no problem to be separated. Anyway, for Arabic letters, they are more love each other. So in the middle, it's like this. Yeah, like this. Je. So we can say like this. Jaba. Okay. Another word. Taj. Taj means a crown of the king. Okay. Je. All right. This is a little longer. Can you try to read with me? A, aj, ajab, ajaba. It means answered in the past. He answered my question. Okay, what if you don't want to talk about the past? You want to ask him, can you please answer this question, like an order or like a request? Answer please means ajib. Okay, so answer as in answer please. Of course, please has another word, another meaning, but only the word answer, it means ajib. Ajib. Okay, so ajib means answer please, as in order or as in request, and ajaba means he already answered the question and he gave you a very beautiful, wonderful answer and made you very, very happy. Okay, so next letter is a little hard for most other nationalities, because I cannot give you example in English, for example, how to say this letter. Okay, so try to focus with me and try to practice with me. Okay, this letter is it looks like je, okay, but the difference is no dot. See, remember, line, half of circle, no dot. This one is ha. So ha, not as in hat, not as in ha. It's different. Okay, ha is different from ha. Ha is different from ha. What's ha? Ha. Okay. Do you like spicy food? Okay, do you like something very, very hot to eat, like very hot soup? You take something like this on spicy and eat. Ha ha, 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 ha. This is the letter. This is how to say. Try ha, ha, not ha. Ha, 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 ha. Not ha, 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 ha. Can you hear the difference? Ha, 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 ha. Okay? So let's try some practice, some examples. Okay, this is a little long word, but I trust you can do it. Try with me. Try. Okay? A, ab, ab, aba, abah, abah. Can you see how looks normal? It's not like when it's in the middle of the word, it's like this only. But here it's in the end of the word. So it's normal, it's complete. No need to cut a part of herself in order to be connected to the other letters. So for that reason it's in the end, so it looks like this, the same. Okay? Next word is really good. Everybody loves this. Love this word a lot. I love this word. We all need this word. No matter how much you pretend you don't, but you need it from father, mother, you need from God, you need from friends, you need from people, even strangers, to be very, very happy. Even strangers give you this. This one is this. Can you read this? Hub. So don't think much. I know how you're thinking, what you're thinking about now. You say, why hub? Why not hab? Why not heb? Because that's how we pronounce this word. If we write with harakat, it should be like this. This small symbol, which means ho. And here there is something we call shadda to make it, to stress on ba. We don't say hob, we say hob. Okay, so it should be like this, hob. But we should not depend on harakat. We have to learn the word like this, hob, without any harakat. Okay, same like English letters without phonetics. You already know how to pronounce this word even without knowing about its phonetic. Alright? Okay. Hub means love. Who loves love? One day they asked me a question, what do you love and what do you hate? So I said, I love love and I hate hatred. Alright? I think you got already enough examples, okay? I don't want to write a lot of words. I don't want to waste a lot of your time. I'm so sorry if I'm talking too much or talking too small, too slow. I'm very sorry. I'm still trying to do my best, okay? Sorry. Okay, next letter is also their brother. Ja and ha, they have another wonderful brother. This brother, many people they know, but many other people they don't know, because, for example, it does exist in Hindi, in Russian, and in Urdu, but, for example, does not exist in English. But I hope you will be able to pronounce this. If you only try and fail until you make it, inshallah you'll be able to do it. Okay, this one, just sorry. This is a line, half circle, and then dot. Kha. Kha, khi, ho, kha, khi, ho, kha, khi, ho. It's not ka. Don't say ka. It's not ka, it is kha. Kha, kha. Imagine something inside. You're trying to make a test, check something here, coronavirus for example, or whatever. I hope no more cases, inshallah. So they say kha, 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 kha. Okay, imagine a person sleeping and he's snoring. Kha, it comes from the nose. Kha, kha, khi, khu, khi. I'm saying crazy stuff. Don't make fun of me. Please don't laugh at me. But I'm trying to make it easier for you. Try to pronounce with me. Try. Say kha, khi, khu. It's easier way for me to learn how to pronounce new sounds. Okay? So kha, kha, khaba, 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 khaba. Another example is akh, akh, akh. Akh means a brother. One new word in your vocabulary. And guess what sister means? Same alif in the beginning, same kha in the middle. If in the middle, we will not write it complete. Okay, then t. Ukht, ukht, ukht. Akh, ukht, akh, ukht. Ukht means a sister. Okay, and I think this is the end of our lesson today. So it was a little long. I'm sorry again if I'm talking too long. Thank you so much for trying to learn my language. I'm very happy, and please try to be safe. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.